Hi, I'm Helena from PamPam, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own locator map. So maybe you have a business and you want to show your customers where your location is and maybe where the parking is nearby or other amenities. So let me show you really quickly how to do that. So we're going to use a tool called PamPam, and PamPam is just an online tool to make and share maps. So I'm going to link the template below, but you're going to go to pampam.city/templates. Here you're going to find the locator map. This is an example of what it looks like, but you're going to be able to totally customize this. So let's click on Start with this map. Here's an example of the map. So in this case, we just want to show where this office is and where the parking is nearby. We're also highlighting like a coffee shop nearby, but obviously you can add a lot more stuff to this. So let's click on Copy a Map. So you're going to need to sign in if you're not signed in already in order to copy it. Now let me show you a little bit around PamPam so you're situated. So like I said, PamPam is an online tool to make and share maps. So you can customize a lot of things here. So you can customize this cover photo by clicking here on this little picture icon. You can edit the fields of the map. So when you click on a spot, you can see different things. You can, of course, edit the title of the map, the description, and the main thing here is to add different spots to your map. So with PamPam, you organize it into different sections. So here's one section and here's another section. If you want to add directly to the section, you would just search here and then, search for a specific spot. So you can search for things here, or you can click Add and then search by name or address here. To delete one of these places, just right click here or click here and then click Remove. You can also delete the entire section this way. You'll see here that we have a route. So the way that you're going to turn that on is you're going to go to this menu and click here and then you are going to see route, and then you can do driving, walking, or off in order to actually turn off the route, and you can add a route to any section. So you can keep on adding spots here. You can delete them. You can change the color of this map. And in order to share it, you're going to click share, and then you can just copy this link. So you can share that link out directly with your customers. They don't need a PamPam account to view the map. They can view it on desktop or on their phone as well. Or you can embed this map directly into your website. You can also take a screenshot of the map and then link to that as well. So let me know if you have any questions, and check out some of the other PamPam videos if you need help.